Hello everybody and welcome to the first picture of the JCL. I am Spino in the commentary box, and today joining me in the commentary box is absolutely no one because I have no friends. Anyways, as we can see on video, both the teams are getting ready for kickoff, and Ekashar Jaiswal takes the kickoff. He passes it over to Sahil. Sahil passes it over to Ekashar, but possession is taken away by Agastya Hublikar. Agastya Hublikar, being fancy with the ball, tries to dribble it past Ekashar, but ends up passing it to Pranav Upadhyay, who's in the opposite team. Oh, Sahil with a wonderful tackle. Tries to dribble it past, but just misses the goal. That was a wonderful opportunity there. Easy Money is getting ready for the kickoff. And by kickoff I mean goal kick. Agastya scoops it past everybody on the field except for Hitar, who is the defender of 1009 FC, and that's a hand for Easy Money. Free kick for 1009 FC. Oh, never mind, it was a goal kick. The hand got cancelled. And goal kick. Ararao takes the goal kick straight over to Sahil. But the force was too much, so it bounces back to the other team, and it goes out for another goal kick. Oh, and something. The other team, Easy Money, tried something but it didn't work, and they managed to keep the scores tied 0-0. This seems pretty fair. You know, both the teams are equally tied, and Arav Rao getting kind of flustered, trying to get the ball away with a volley. I don't think that was the smartest decision there, and it goes out for a goal kick. Agastya Hublikar setting up for a goal kick. And remember everyone, the winners of this match will be going up against Sakano Yagi. So make sure to watch out for that fixture. Goalkeepers seem to be playing passing the parcel with each other. Sahil tries to dribble the ball past Manav, but Pratham Mehta stops him. Ekashar gets the ball back, dribbles it past, but it's stopped by his own teammate, Pranav Upadhyay. What is this play? I mean, why is Pranav Upadhyay doing that? What is he doing? Okay. The ball is now... where is that ball? Okay, yeah, there it goes. Ekashar takes the ball, but it goes out for another goal kick. We seem to be having a lot of those today. For some reason, Ekashar seems to be proud of that. And another goal kick. Ooh, but it lands straight into the Daksh Pujari's hands. And by hands I mean feet. Oh, he sets up the through ball for Ekashar. Ekashar scoops it. It goes over to Sahil, but it's blocked by Pratham. And that's a blistering volley. That's a goal. 1009 FC with one lead score. That was a wonderful goal. Let's have a look at that again, shall we? So Daksh tries. Okay, wait. Yeah, Daksh passes the through ball for Ekashar. Ekashar reaches the ball and scoops it over everyone. And there Sahil is. He receives the ball, tries a shot, but Pratham Mehta blocks the shot. And then with a blistering volley, he scores the goal. That was a wonderful goal. They ought to be happy with that one. Now let's head back to kickoff with a very disheartened Easy Money. Here we are, kickoff. Pratham Mehta getting ready, and he passes it straight over to Agastya Hublikar. Agastya tries to scoop it over the cameraman and just picks it up, but he's almost there, but Sahil with an amazing tackle clears the ball away, and Ekashar tries to carry it with a counter attack. Come on, and it gets defended well by Pratham Mehta, and it's for an outside since it's out of the net. And that's another goal. An easy tap in for Sahil Doshi, and that's his second goal of the match. Let's watch that replay. And with the outside, Ekashar makes a wonderful pass to Sahil, who scores an easy tap in. That was a wonderful goal. I think that's his second goal, I'm pretty sure. And that's 1009 FC with 2 over Easy Money. Let's head back to kickoff with an even more disheartened Easy Money. Looks like the team players are getting ready for a second kickoff. Easy Money players not really happy with the score line. Let's see if they try to make a change in that. And kick off. Pratham passes it to the Hitar. Manav tries a shot at goal, but Arav with a good catch saves the goal, and it goes out for another goal kick. Oh, Easy Money seemed to want to try and change the goalkeeper, and they made Jash Mehta the goalkeeper. Let's see how he's at goalkeeping. Personally, I would have chosen Vidhan, the orange shirt guy, for those of you who don't know, as the goalkeeper. But hey, let's see. And that's a good goal kick, you know, as a first time goalkeeper. Not bad. Daksh Pujari takes gives the ball back to Arav Rao for the goal kick. And goal kick it is. Oh, that was a very bad goal kick. It went into the possession of Easy Money, but Hitar clears it away. But it goes back to Pratham Mehta. Manav Pancholi, he can do this. Oh, Agastya Hublikar tries it. But Hitar blocks it. Hitar not even on the team, he was just a substitute. He's actually doing more work. Agastya getting disappointed with all the tries he's having at goal, but he might have a chance. Let's see. And Sahil tries to scoop it over Mehta, but he fails. They seem contested right now. Easy Money is trying to score goals, but 1009 FC are just doing it for them. And that's another goal kick. Surprising that there's so many of so many goal kicks in this match. And Jash Mehta passes it instead of crossing it over everyone. Oh, the water bottle. I wonder if it would have been a very good play. I think it would have been. It could have even led to a goal, but unfortunately it didn't. And the defender Daksh Pujari tries to block the players of Easy Money. Oh, Sahil with the ball. He might even score another goal. Let's see. Dribbles it past Pratham Mehta with skill, but it is cleared away. And Manav Pancholi tries to score, but Sahil, though he's being the striker, he should not be this good at defending. I mean, he's being splendid this match. He's on top form. Daksh Pujari tries to clear something. Pranav Bhadya with an amazing tackle. Manav Pancholi receives the ball, and it's just offside. And by offside, I mean just off post. And it's Ekaksha Jaiswal with the goal kick. Ooh, it rebounds with Pratham Mehta as Agastya Hublikar takes the ball from 1009 FC. Daksh Pujari tries to tackle, but he's not able to. Manav Pancholi with the ball now tries a shot, but gets missed, and that's half time. Oh, never mind, it's not half time. It's a penalty apparently. Who's taking it? As Agastya Hublikar. Ooh, and Sahil blocks that again. Being the striker, he's being very good at defense. Oh, Sahil has the ball. He's dribbling it past. And that's another goal! 1009 FC! And it's a hat-trick for Sahil Doshi. A wonderful hat-trick. Wow! And we can see that one of the Easy Money players makes a mistake and delivers the ball right over to Ekaksha Jaiswal, who passes it over to Sahil Doshi. And Sahil Doshi, with his incredible skill and top form, dribbles it past and scores an easy goal. And that's a wonderful hat-trick. His team is going to be happy with that. He's been on top form today. He's surely going to watch that goal when he goes back home. Now let's head back. Oh, never mind, it's half time. And with that, we are back from half-time. The sides have switched. And Pratham Mehta takes the kick off again, passes it to Agastya Hublikar. They surely have to be disheartened now. At least they could try and score a goal so that the scoreline is not that bad. Wait a minute. Is the goalkeeper ahead? Arav Rao playing in defense. I guess they're trying something new. Oh wait, he's not doing bad. Oh, he does a wonderful tackle on Manav Pancholi. He scoots it over to Sahil Doshi. And Sahil scores another goal. That's 4 for him, a double brace. And a wonderful assist from Arav Rao. I mean, he's not in his original position, but he's somehow adapting well. He confuses Manav Pancholi with interesting play. He struggles to carry the ball from the net and then scoots it over everyone's legs. And then Sahil, with his amazing form, scores another goal through everyone's feet. He really is inspiring today. Like, I can't even. His performance is too good. I can't put it in words. And looks like okay, what's going on? Okay. The ball is surprisingly in the 2009 FC's half, but I'm sure it will soon be cleared away since the defense is top notch today. A through ball through his own teammates' feet. Sahil with the ball now. Arav Rao just watching patiently. And Ekakshar almost reaches the ball. That could have been his first goal in JCL, but it just went. It's off for a goal kick. And Agastya Hublikar patiently waiting for the goal kick, waiting for his people to come into position. And it goes over to the opposite team's defenders, who does not have any ball control. And Ekakshar tries a shot at goal but is blocked. Daksh Pujari tries another shot at goal but is blocked again. And the ball is cleared away. Manav Pancholi hitting it back for absolutely no reason. Agastya Hublikar tries to dribble it past, but Ekakshar Jaiswal hits it through his legs with a nutmeg. Ekakshar Jaiswal with the ball now, passes it to Sahil. Sahil tries a shot at goal but is blocked expertly by the defenders of Easy Money, by Midhan Mehta of course. And Hitar, Pratham Mehta with a chance at goal, but it's saved by Pranav Upadhyay, who's the new goalkeeper of 2009 FC for some reason. And Arav Rao appears to have lost his shoe in the conflict. That's a bit unusual, but sure. Pranav Upadhyay with... Oh wait, never mind. He's giving the goal kick to Ekakshar Jaiswal. But that scoreline though, with the first match, Easy Money have to be disheartened. Oh wait, Yash Mehta with that that was a good touch. But it goes out for a goal kick again. Ekakshar Jaiswal with the goal kick. And it's gone. Goes straight to the other side. Oh, never mind. One of the defenders caught it. Oh wait, that's the goalkeeper. Sorry, I apologize. And Yash Mehta tries to have a go at the goal, but fails. Pranav Upadhyay, his first goal kick, not bad, but he gave it to the cameraman and gives away possession. And it's Sahil, I'm pretty sure. Oh, this cameraman is kind of... Okay. Sahil tries to dribble it past Manav Pancholi, but Manav Pancholi not letting up. Agastya Hublikar comes into the conflict now as Ekakshar gets the ball passed, but what is going on? Okay, Sahil has the ball now. And it's another goal kick, man. There have been a lot of goals today. Alright. Let's see. They are setting up for a corner. Oh, sorry. My mistake. My bad. And Ekakshar setting up for the corner. I wonder what's going through his mind right now. Oh, he passes it to Ekakshar. But what? Sorry. He passes it to Arav, but fails, as Arav is not enough. He's not skilled enough. This is not his position. Remember. Oh wait, whoa! The cameraman is getting kind of crazy. Okay. And the ball is passed again to the cameraman, who gets involved in this conflict way more than he needs to be. Sahil takes the ball, tries to dribble it past, but Josh with an amazing tackle actually. Hitar actually doing proper defense, even though he's not supposed to be on 2009 FC's team. He's just a substitute, remember. And it's a corner kick for Easy Money. Well, I mean, usually if there was someone else with me in the commentary box, I would talk to him and like discuss stuff, but I'm gonna talk to myself. Wow, that was such a wonderful game, man. I mean, like a 4-0 scoreline is amazing. And Agastya takes the corner kick, but it comes straight into Ekaksh's possession, who tries to clear it away, but it goes for another goal kick. Ekakshar now with the ball. Manav Pancholi with the ball now. Tries a shot at goal, but Pranav Upadhyay actually making a decent save. but he's eager to get that away with a volley. Sahil has the ball now. Ooh, he's tackled by Agastya. It was a clean tackle, but not the best. And I mean, the teammates are just waiting for Sahil to score another goal. They don't seem okay. I think Gaurav Rao is taking a free kick. This seems unusually weird. Let's see how that turns out. And he just passes it over to Sahil, who tries a shot but just misses. I mean, Gaurav is doing well outside of his position. I mean, he did score a banger of an assist. Pratham passing it to Midhan. Midhan with an insightful pass to Jash. Just tries to run away with the ball but is tackled by Gaurav Rao. He's doing amazing in this position. I mean, he is a goalkeeper, so you would assume. Oh, that's a hand. You would assume that he's decent at defending. And Ekakshar, oh, he sets the ball. Just can take the ball, but he's not taking it. Okay. This is getting interesting. Okay, Dash hits the ball. And it's amazing slide tackle from Arav as he tries to get the ball away with haste. And yeah, this match is confusing, man. I mean, okay, here we go. Another free kick, but it hits the defender Pratham Mehta's hand. And with that, we come to the end of the match. I mean, it was a wonderful game for 1009 FC. I'm sure they'll be happy with that. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know this is not what I usually post, but I'll see you in the next picture, I guess. Goodbye.